Basketball, you betcha I'm back in the building. It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm ready to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed every day in the gym for the game that you love to play. Basketball, you know what we're about to do. But before we do that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this basketball community of a lot of hard work, a lot of fun, and a lot of learning. Okay, as we get into it, remember, we are now starting the 2-a-day segment. So I need you to understand that we're going to be posting 2 workouts a day. So I need you to be ready to go. So first, what we're doing is agility, okay? Everything is going to be based on agility for this particular workout. The workouts may not be as long as past workouts, but we're doing everything that has to do with agility. So first thing that we're doing is jump roping. Yeah, that's right. We're going to go 5 times 100 on the jump rope. Okay, I want all your jump ropes to be off 2 feet, and I want them to be quick. Okay, so we're working those quick twitch muscles, working a little bit of that ankle strength, and we are getting after it. Then after that, I want you to do 1-leg square hops. Okay, you can get 4 cones, you can get 4 objects, whatever you need to hop around in a square shape. Okay, this is going to be 10 sets on each leg. Okay, 10 times, 10 sets. So 1 full square is 1 set. What I want you to also understand is it's going to hurt, but embrace the hurt, push through it. You get to rest each leg, all right? Then after we do that agility, we're going to go to our familiar agility work that we've done already before, and that is going to be our cone drills, where we are stepping over the cone, back over the cone, going back and forth with our quick feet. We're going to simultaneously do quick feet with 2 feet. We're going to do 2-foot taps, and then we're going to go side to side. Okay, doing all of that, 4 sets of each. After we do that, then we are going to get into some more agility, of course. There will be no basketballs included in this drill. Okay, it's all agility. So I want you to understand that. All right, so now we're going to go with our 3 cones, and we are going to do pogo jumps. Pogo jumps will be 5 sets of these sets of cones that you have. You should have about 4 to 5 rows out, and we're going to do that. Then you are going to do hurdle steps over the cones, such as a big hurdle is in the way. We're also going to do 5. Remember, you're going to go there and back. That'll be 1. And then we're going to take just a quick water break, because I know your legs are burning just a little bit. Now we are going to run just real quick, because running has to do with agility as well. And we're going to run a quick 10 sideline, and we're going to run at full speed. Okay, running full speed also helps with your bounce, your quickness, your first step. So you're running a sprint through this entire time. You're going to get tired. Be sure to take a rest in between. Then we're going to get back to our agilities, and we're going to go 1-leg hops over each cone. That's going to be 5 sets. And then we're going to do hurdle jumps. Hurdle jumps are tough, but they're very effective. You can call them knee tucks as well, as you will be jumping and getting those knees up to your chest as high as you can. Then what I want to see is, I want to see our broad jumps. Okay, our broad jumps are going to be off of 1 leg, landing on 2, and then off of 2, landing on 2. We're going to do 4 sets of 6 for each of these. It's going to be a little time consuming, as you have to take your time on the land. Be sure to not let those knees go in, and make sure you're sitting back, using those glutes and using your arms when you jump. And then, you know what? I'm going to be nice. I'm going to let you get a basketball. Okay? So grab a basketball. We don't need to dribble it. We're going to go over to the basket. We're going to throw the basketball up against that backboard, and we are going to jump. We're going to rebound. And we're going to put it in the basket. This is also working our agilities and also our timing on rebounding. Very key in this workout. And it's a must, as we were going to do this on both sides, 5 times each. This will give you a little break in between what we're actually doing for our agilities. Then once we've completed that, I'd like you to go over and grab some cones or some objects that you have at home, and we're going to work on our lateral movement. But before we use those cones, we're going to work our agilities in our 4-square defensive slide drill. Okay, we're going to sprint up. We're going to slide across the baseline. We're going to backpedal. We're going to slide the free throw line. We're going to sprint back, slide across, and then we're going to backpedal. That's all going to be key in our agility work. We're going to do that 4 times each as well. Once we've completed that, I want you to go ahead and get some more water, as we will be returning to get this work in. Now I want you to find a box or a bench, and we are going to do ankle pops. We are going to put our foot up on that box or that bench, and we are going to pop that ankle as we jump, 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 jump. Think of a pogo jump or think of our single leg jumps. Simple stuff that we're going to do. And we're going to go 4 times each on this with our sets, and we're going to do 20 of these ankle pops. Okay, I want you to try to explode as much as you can. Then I want you to switch legs. Okay, very effective drill. Again, ankle strength and just more about trying to get that bounce up. Okay, then we're going to do squat jumps. Okay, with the med ball or without. Either one works for me. And we are also going to work on our sprints again, but in a short distance. Now you may not have a band here, so I would like you to just do sprints fully up the court, almost like a liner, which you can see here as well on the last part where we're running full court. Or you can get a band, attach it to something, and have this resistance. I want you to run full sprint, 8 seconds, as hard as you can with the band pulling you back. Okay, you got to make sure the band is around your waist, not around your stomach, not raising up to your chest. Make sure it is around your waist and staying there as you run full speed. The importance here is to drive your knees and focus on pumping those arms. And the last thing that we are going to do today is our defensive slide zigzags and our full sprint. Okay, we're working on changing direction, which is very key, in a different movement. And then we're working on our sprinting, which again is always going to help with first step, a little bit of our jumping, and a little bit of our quickness. Basketball U, I can't thank you enough for coming in. This is just the first workout of the day. Remember, we got 2-a-days. And why are we doing 2-a-days? Well, the importance is to catch up to those who aren't working as hard as us. So, as I've said before, are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Why not? And the reason I'm asking those questions is because someone's always working. Are you?